around 99% rejection, 99% rejection from cationic dyes and anionic dyes. When it comes to the pharmaceutical waste, we have got the less than 90% of rejection with different cationic, anionic, and neutral dyes. So from the main theme is self-cleaning membrane. We have done the self-cleaning membrane using the sunlight source, that is photophenton reaction. So we have got the good results. We have done the 5 cycles, up to 5 cycles is the recyclability studies, and these confirm the cake-like projection is there in before, fouling membrane. On the after degradation, there is iron aminoclase presence of iron aminoclase. So when it comes to the anti-fouling membranes, the membrane stability is up to 216 hours is stable. So we can see the commercial membrane, and here we got the good performance in this graph. And also here we can see the 4 different types of contaminants is there. So that is permeate, initial 0.05, 0.25 up to 216 hours membrane shelf life is more, and we have got the good results in anti-fouling studies. So conclusion, we have done the good performance studies in self-cleaning membrane and anti-fouling membrane. We are planning to do real industrial wastewater characterization AFM. So thank you.